Should we go hunting? All right, let's go. Good boy. All right. Exactly. You have. No, you shot that one for sure. No doubt in my mind. Got him. Thank you. Oh, it's a runner. Watch this. Oh, it didn't keep running, but that's close. Good boy. What the fuck? Good boy, Miles. Good boy, Miles. Good puppy. Good boy, Miles. Yes, that's a good boy. Come on. Come on, buddy. You got a bird. Look at you. Come on. Oh, that's my boy. Come on. That is a beautiful boy. Come here. Come on. Oh, good boy. You are such a good puppy. Look at you. That was awesome, Mr. Davis. And we are limited out. Yes, we're limited out. Look at that. That is a beautiful bird, buddy. Look at that. How beautiful. Awesome bird. Yes, and an awesome dog, Miles Davis. Awesome bird. All right, GoPro, stop recording. Yep, always on point. Yep. It's here. Sucker down. Thanks. Now, I would not doubt there's a wounded pheasant running in front of Miles. But, yep. Good boy. Find the bird. No, no. Call Boone. Call Boone. I thought the bird was here. He's okay. I'm going to call him back in a minute. I thought Miles had the bird and he was going to defend it. Boone, come. I'm going to take them both that way. And hopefully it's in this way. I don't know. Miles says it's right here. He's got it. Damn it! Tore off the tail feathers. Can you believe this bird traveled this far? How far the bird traveled. Amazing. Miles, come on. That's a dead bird. That's going to be hard to find.